Ever wonder how far you can push a Tesla? Imagine this. You are cruising down the highway, the wind whipping through your hair. Well, maybe not through your hair with the windows up, and the open road stretches endlessly before you. That feeling of freedom, that's what Tesla ownership is all about, right? But freedom on four wheels comes with a question that eventually pops into every EV owner's mind. How long will the battery last? Tesla's electric vehicles are renowned for their range and performance. But even the most cutting-edge battery technology eventually needs some love. So, the question remains, if your trusty Tesla's battery does need replacing, how much will it set you back? Now, before we dive into the numbers, let's address a key point. Tesla batteries are designed to be incredibly durable. Elon Musk himself has claimed they can last up to 300,000 to 500,000 miles, or roughly 1,500 charge cycles. That's a lot of driving. Even with everyday use, you're likely looking at a good 10 to 20 years before battery replacement becomes a consideration. Okay, with that optimistic outlook in mind, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Replacing a Tesla battery isn't exactly a pocket change situation. The cost can vary depending on several factors, but we're looking at a ballpark range of $5,000 to a whopping $20,000. So, what exactly makes the price jump around so much? Here's a breakdown of the key players. The model matters. Just like any car, different Tesla models come with different battery sizes. A battery for a Model S, known for its extended range, will naturally cost more than the battery for a more compact Model 3. Labor costs. Replacing a Tesla battery is a complex job. Taking apart the car, removing the old battery, and installing the new one requires certified technicians and specialized tools. This expertise adds to the overall price tag. Battery health. In some rare cases, unexpected battery degradation might necessitate a replacement before the usual 10 to 20-year mark. There, you'd be looking at the full cost, unlike Tesla's covered under warranty. Now, here's the good news. While a complete battery replacement might seem daunting, it's not always necessary. Tesla's battery packs are modular, meaning technicians can potentially replace individual modules if needed. This can significantly reduce the overall cost. Let's talk about warranties for a second. Tesla offers a pretty impressive warranty on their batteries. They guarantee that the battery will retain at least 70% of its original capacity after 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. So, if your battery dips below that threshold within the warranty period, a replacement might be covered. But what if you're outside the warranty window? Fear not, Tesla service centers are equipped to diagnose your battery health and recommend the most cost-effective solution. They might suggest topping off the battery with a new module or a software update to optimize performance before a full replacement becomes necessary. Here's the key takeaway. Tesla battery replacements, while not exactly cheap, are built to last. In most cases, with proper care and charging habits, you can expect your Tesla battery to faithfully power your adventures for well over a decade. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.